Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Canva templates for marketing property listings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Canva templates for marketing property listings, start by visiting the Canva website.
Log into your account or create a new account if you don't have one.
Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type real estate or property listing into the search bar. Press enter to view all available templates related to real estate. Browse through the options and select a template that fits your style. Click on the chosen template to open it in the Canva editor. Once the template is open, customize it using the editing tools on the left side of the screen. You can change text by clicking on the text box and typing your own information. To upload images of the property, click on the Uploads tab on the left side. Drag and drop your images or click the Upload an Image button to select files from your device. Replace the existing images in the template with your property photos. Adjust the size and position of images as needed to create the best visual appeal. Use the Elements tab to add shapes, icons, or additional design features that enhance your listing. If you need to change the color scheme, click on any element and choose a new color from the color palette. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred file format, such as PNG or PDF, for sharing. Finally, download your customized property listing template to your device for marketing purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.